Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen. I am your girl, Norlene, and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come on, family and friends, join me in the kitchen. I will be preparing for you Jamaican seasoned rice. Now, people, as you can see, I have a lot of the ingredients right here in front of me. So grab your ingredients, pause the video for just a little minute, get all your ingredients together, and join me in the kitchen.
Welcome, my whimsical family. I have a cup of rice in a cup of water with some seasoning, and I will cook that until the water has evaporated. So in the frying pan, and about 2 tablespoons of oil, I've added quarter pounds of beef that has been shredded. Stir fry for about 30 seconds with onion, garlic, and ginger. Cover and set aside until you're ready.
If you are new to my channel, welcome to you. You are indeed out for a treat where I cook my favorite meals Jamaican style. Thank you for subscribing, and remember, like this video, save my video to your favorite playlist, and share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Remember, give me some thumbs up, start a conversation in the comment section, and of course share your thoughts about this video or suggest any other Jamaican meals that you would like to see me prepare. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. And remember, turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified.
Using the same frying pan, I will add a quarter of a yellow onion. To that, I will add the codfish. I will add some garlic, ginger assortment of bell pepper. I will add some purple onion, some tomato, guys. I will add a quarter cup of coconut milk. Next, I will add about a quarter cup of coconut milk, an assortment of powdered season, and a secret ingredient, the tropical blend season. I will then add a quarter cup of pumpkin stock and cover to cook.
Family and friends, it's time for the food for thought. It comes to us today from 2 Samuel 7 verse 22. Wherefore thou art great, O Lord God, for there is none like thee, neither is there any God beside thee, according to all that we have heard with our ears. My encouragement to you today, family and friends, is that we are human vessels whom God would use to forward his plans and purpose for humanity. We have the purpose in our hearts that by the grace of God, we will do the roles that we were designed by God to do. We can rejoice in our God because he is the source of our strength.
Alright, family and friends, so the sauce has reduced and it's time to add the rice. Now, I was cooking the rice while I was doing the sauce, so it's time to put it all together. This looks now, my whimsical family, the rice is parboiled and I will cover this and let it continue to steam. Alright guys, so 10 minutes later, it is almost done. So I will stir my rice and make a space in the center of the pot because more niceness I got add to the pot. I've added the corn, the green pepper, my ackee. I've added the carrot, the beef, guys. I'm going to add to that some purple onion because I want some fresh onion flavor. I'll add to that some bell pepper, red, green, yellow. I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes, add some more garlic salt over this. I really want the parsley, some black pepper, some more steak seasoning, guys. I'm gonna just add to this a little bit. I will add some fresh thyme leaves and some salt to taste, guys. Cover this down and let my ackee flavor. So I'm gonna soon come back. This look good here.
It's time to send out our birthday wishes and congratulations. A very extra special happy birthday goes out to all my friends and colleagues who are celebrating their birthday, anniversary, or whatever milestone in your life this week. Just know that Wims love, appreciate, and celebrate you.
No, people, after about 7 minutes, people have to add to this some scotch bonnet pepper. Now you can hear that sizzling sound there, so you know say it almost ready. See that, people? It looks good, it smells good, and I can't wait to dive in. So once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. People, I know you enjoy the time in the kitchen, and so I'm gonna just dig into this because you see I'm gonna plate it up nice. I have served it, guys, with some avocado and of course a leg quarter, small leg quarter. And people, just look at this. You see all of the ackee, the pieces of beef, guys, and boy, this tastes so awesome. You get that fruity flavor from the ackee, you get that fresh tomato taste with the beef, and of course all the onions and herbs into this, guys. This is indeed awesome. I hope you try it next time you're in the kitchen.
Thank you for staying in the kitchen with me, where I did cooking Jamaican style. See you next week, guys. Remember, Wims, love, 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 love you. Mwah, with all my heart.